heard the story of the Titanic, but have you ever experienced it? Right now, a traveling exhibition is giving visitors a look at not only the tragic end for the ship, but also the lessons learned from it. Whitney is at the Galleria Center in Scottsdale with a look at this exhibit. Whitney.
This is so fascinating. I mean, if you're anything like me, you've seen the movie Titanic countless times, but this is the real story, and it is really an immersive experience. Check it out. Just behind us here is a recreation of what the first class quarters would have looked like on board the Titanic, and this is really cool. When you come into the museum, you're given this boarding pass. On the boarding pass is the name and information about a real person who was actually on the ship, and at the end, you get to find out what happened to them. So this today we're Albert Irvine. He was 18. He was a crew member from Ireland. This is an expansive exhibit. It should take you about 60 minutes to 90 minutes to complete. And we're joined this morning by the lady who's going to tell us all about it. Thank you so much for having us. It's taken, what, almost a month to set everything up?
Absolutely. Our production crews just finished last night, and we are ready for guests to come tomorrow.
Okay, so we're standing in front of this grand staircase that so many people are going to recognize. What about this experience really sticks out to you, and what do you want people to know before they come?
I want people to understand that this is Titanic, the Immersive Voyage. So they are immersed in the story. Different than just things in cases and words on walls. They get to step into history in a new and compelling way.
You've been working in and along this story and this part of our history for a long time now. What about it is so special and is so important?
Well, I think Titanic is a very interesting story because there's so many entry points into it. Whether either people are interested in the building of the ship or Edwardian society or life on board, or the fact that it was the first international tragedy that had 3 classes operating in the same place at the same time. There's so many compelling different parts of this story.
And it's really hard, unless you guys come out and check it out, to kind of show you how big this is. So we're going to walk over into the next area here, which is going to be sort of the captain's quarters, and you're going to see and sort of feel what the captain would have seen on that day back in April 1912. Talk a little bit about step by step how people are going to go through this process.
So as you're going through the exhibition, we start with the building of the ship, and you go through full-scale reproductions of different areas of the ship. This is the captain's bridge, and while you're standing here, you're getting an opportunity to not only look out on the bow of Titanic, but then you're also starting to tease a little bit of the tragedy that's coming. You're seeing the messages that are coming in from telegraphs and some of the warnings, some that were ignored, some that were not prioritized, and you're understanding what people are looking out and seeing as they're steering the ship.
For you, what have you learned just today from I know you've been doing this for a long time, but you say every time you come in here you learn something new.
Well, remember, there's more than 2,000 stories that are represented by Titanic. So every time I come, I learn a new passenger story. I just learned a story about Annie Funk, who was a missionary who was on a lifeboat, who was safe. She gave up her seat so that a mother could join her daughters, and she perished in the tragedy. So this is 100% more than a love story like the movie, more than a story about a ship. It is a human story.
Certainly so. Thank you so much for that reminder, and such a really cool and interesting experience. It's opening up tomorrow here in Scottsdale. There is a really space that's really interesting to see where there's an actual lifeboat. We didn't bring you in there because it's a little dark. It would have been hard to see, but certainly something you're going to want to check out. Again, it opens tomorrow. We'll have the link for tickets on our website, and it'll run through the rest of the year.